Tired of those automatic Apple Music charges and ready to break free? Let's ditch that subscription in under 90 seconds. Alright, first things first, we're heading into the Settings app. That's the one with the gear icon. Tap to open it, scroll down, and look for the option that says Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. It's usually near the top with your name on it. Tap it. Now, tap on Media and Purchases. A little menu will pop up. Select View Account. You might be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Okay. Now you're in your account settings. Scroll down again until you see Subscriptions. Tap on that. Here, you'll see all your active subscriptions. Find Apple Music. Tap on Apple Music. You should now see the details of your subscription, including renewal date and price. At the very bottom, you'll find Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and tap it. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure. Choose Confirm. You'll see a message confirming your cancellation and the date your subscription will expire. This means you'll still have access until that date. And that's it. Apple Music canceled. You're free from automatic charges. Now go enjoy your newfound financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe.